Hello,
Good afternoon,
can
ma'am.
hear me, children? Can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yes, I think good. 19 came. Now we'll start with the class. Okay, good afternoon. Children?
Good afternoon,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes.
How are you?
So we stopped with the previous period. We have stopped with isosceles triangle property. Isn't it?
Isosceles triangle
Yes,
theorem.
isosceles triangle theorem property. What was it? Anybody, please?
Ma'am,
Isosceles
ma'am, and
Opposite to equal sides are equal.
Very good. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal in measure. So this period we are going to do some problems related to that. Okay, it is easy problems. You can find the answer very easily. Huh? Okay. You can see the screen, no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So now let me change the color of the board. This one is not suitable. Okay. Uh, I'm writing a question on the board. Just find out the answer. First one is very simple. See, this is a triangle and it's given, these two sides are equal. Okay. And this angle is given 40 degree. Find x. Find x.
Ma'am, 40 degree.
40 degree. What is the reason?
Ma'am,
What is the reason?
because they are opposite.
Opposite to equal sides, isn't it? They are opposite to equal sides. So,
Equal sides.
so we can say x is equal to 40 degree. Write the reason. Equal angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. Write down the problems in your rough book. Okay. And write down in the note after this. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Sarang Das, are you writing anything? Huh? Okay. Please write down. You're sitting in the car. I
Ma'am.
think so.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I take my lecture note?
Can I take?
My lecture note.
And all of you, you need a scale and a ruler for the next topic. You need a scale and ruler for the next topic. Okay. Get ready. In the rough book, you have to draw something. Now, I'll give you another problem. This is very easy, isn't it? X is equal to 40 degree because these two angles are equal in measure. Next question. See this. Can you tell me what is X? What is X? What is X?
Ma'am, 90.
Ma'am, 90 degree.
X is 90? Hello, if you're sure, you can tell it is 90,
90 degree.
isn't it? Huh?
Ma'am, it's 90.
Very
90
good.
degree.
So what is the reason?
90
I'll give
degree.
this angle I'll give Y. So tell me what is the reason?
Ma'am,
Shane, I cannot hear you. Some problem is there.
ma'am is muted.
I am muted.
No, ma'am, he is muted.
He is muted. Shane, unmute yourself. Unmute.
Ma'am,
Ah.
X, X and 45. X will be Y will be 45 degree.
Very good. Because
So
these two sides
45
are equal, isn't it?
45 plus 45 90 degree.
Okay, okay.
So we have to get 180
180
degree.
Dot. Very good, very good.
So we'll get 90 degree as X.
Yes, good. Because this angle is 45 degree and you see these two sides are equal, isn't it? So angles opposite to these sides are this angle and this angle. So these two are equal. Y is equal to 45 degree. Now you can say X plus Y plus this 45 is equal to 180. Angle sum property of the triangle. Angle sum property. Now here you write the reason, angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. You have to write the reasons like this, okay? You have to write the reason. Then X plus Y plus 45 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of the triangle. So we know what is Y. Y is 45 we got. So X plus 90, isn't it? Y, you have to write what is Y now. There you write Y, then you can proceed with this one. Yeah. What is Y? 45. 45 plus 45 is equal to 180. Therefore, X is equal to 180 minus 90. Answer is 90 degree. So we get X is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So see in this question, listen all of you. See this question which I have given. There is this Y is not given in your question. Why? That letter is not given in your question. But for explaining the question, you need that Y there, isn't it? Or any letter. So when you get such a question and you want to explain means, you can draw the triangle and put any letter over there by yourself. And you can use it for explaining the answer. Is it clear, children, what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Because there is no Y there. No letter is given here in the question. So I just simply put a letter Y there for explaining what is the answer. That you can do, but you have to draw the triangle in the paper. Then mark where is Y. Then you can explain. Clear, children? Okay. Okay? Hello? Why no response? I want response for proceeding with the class. Only Shane and Manish are only two
Yes,
are
ma'am.
answering. All others are sitting quiet. Okay, so let me see how many are there today. I'll take attendance towards the end of the period. Okay. Okay, now next question. Next question I am going to write. Can you tell me what is X? I'll put a letter over here. X, Z. Z. This angle. Can you tell me what is X? X. X.
Ma'am, 30 degree.
30 degree. Who is answering?
130 degree.
Is it Manish? Who is answering?
Ma'am, 130 degree.
130?
130 degree.
Ma'am, 30
degree.
30 degree.
30
Because
degree.
what is the reason?
30 degree.
Can you explain the reason?
Ma'am, Z is equal to 30 degree.
Is it 30 degree? Why?
Ma'am, because vertical opposite.
angle.
Vertical opposite
angle, ma'am.
Okay.
Vertical opposite.
Vertically opposite. Okay. Then, what about x then? X
Ma'am.
how?
Ma'am, opposite.
Angles
I mean,
opposite to equal
It's
sides.
equal sides.
Angles opposite to equal sides. We got angles are of these angles are opposite. See, these two angles are there and the opposite angles are this and this. So these two, x is equal to z, isn't it? Z is equal to x. Reason, angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides. Clear, children? This topic is clear to you? So like that, some problems will be coming. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now another question, one more question I will give you. Just write down this question and I am explaining the way how you have to write the answer. Okay, if any short answer question is there, you have to answer it like this. With reason. If it is one multiple choice, of course you can just click the correct answer only. But when 2 marks questions are asked or 3 mark question, you have to explain the answer like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then another question I'll give you. Next question. Look at this triangle, what I'm going to draw. Can you tell me what is x? Tell me what is x?
50.
Which theorem can you use here?
50.
Hmm?
50 degree.
Ma'am, it's 50 degree.
How much? How much?
Ma'am, 50 degree.
50. 50. 50?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
And 5. 15.
No.
60.
60.
60.
How much? You mean this one?
Yes,
Or-
ma'am, 60.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Okay.
60.
60. Why? Okay, what is the reason? What is the
Ma'am,
reason?
because this is exterior angle,
Ma'am,
so
exterior
we have
angles.
to get 180 degree.
180.
So
Yes.
120
No,
plus
not,
60 is equal to
we cannot
180.
say exterior angle. We can say this and this forms linear pair, isn't it? This is an exterior angle.
Yes, ma'am.
So this also together forms a linear pair. So
Linear
this
pair.
is already 120. So 180 minus 120, you will get 60 degree.
60
So
degree.
this angle will be 60 degree. Isn't it?
60 degree.
60 degree. So
Ma'am, so
we
they are
know,
opposite.
this angle is opposite to this side, and so
This-
this angle is opposite to this side. Sorry, this angle is opposite to this side. So what? The two angles are same, equal. Equal
Yes, ma'am.
angles opposite to equal sides, isn't it?
60 degree.
Yeah. So we have. Did you understand, children, what I said?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So here 60
ma'am.
you will get, then this angle is also 60 degree. Okay, so we'll write with the reason. So we can write here, I think no letter was given, no? Nothing was given. So you can put a letter over there, we can make it y.
Y.
Okay. So you write y is equal to 180 minus 180. 180 minus, sorry, 180 minus 120.
120.
That is,
60.
the reason is 60 degree. What is the reason? Reason, linear pair.
Linear pair.
Linear pair.
Okay, then what we have to write? We have to write x is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. Reason, equal angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Yes. Yeah. Then we have to write x is equal to 60 degree. Reason, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Write it. Okay. Write the reason correctly. Okay, children, did you understand the topic properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So another type of question related to exterior angle it is. I'll give you another question. That is a different type of question. We'll see what theorem can be used in that. Look at the figure. It is given like this. It is given like this. Here one angle 110 degrees given, and these two sides are given equal, and this angle is given x. Find out what is x. Same type, I think, isn't it? In both ways you can find out. What is it? Same type, isn't it? But you cannot find like that. It is not equal. Which theorem you can use? You cannot use linear pair theorem because you will be getting only this angle. This angle. You know these two angles are equal, isn't it? These two which are the angles equal? Can you tell me? I'll put here different.
Ma'am, 55.
This is
55.
okay.
Ma'am,
Why? What is
55
that? Very
degree.
good. Very good. What is the reason? 55. What is the reason? No, you are muted. You are muted. Just switch on.
Then the opposite angle is 70 degree. Linear pair.
Ah,
So
okay. That is okay. 70 degree you will get. Then
we have to
remaining
get
two are equal.
We'll
Isn't it?
get 110. So
110.
half of 110.
It is 55. Okay. Another reason.
55.
Okay. Another reason you can see. This is an exterior angle, no? This is an exterior angle, and you can use this way. In this way also you can find out the answer.
Ma'am,
This angle
when we add the opposite interior
yeah,
angle.
yeah. So x plus y is equal to 110 degree. X is equal to y.
Yes, ma'am.
Or angles opposite to equal sides. Two equal sides. So x plus x is equal to 110, isn't it? So what is 2x is equal to 110? X is equal to 110 divided by 2. That is equal to 55 degree.
Ma'am, there are two ways in this.
Two ways. You can use any method. Any theorem you can use. So using exterior angle theorem, we can write x plus y 110. Reason exterior angle theorem. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Exterior angle theorem. I want the response from other students also.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Asra, did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down this questions and answers. Now we will pass on to the next topic, that is sides of a triangle. Sum of the length of two sides of a triangle. About the length of two triangles. I'll give you some questions. Huh? I'll give 3 measurements to draw. Hmm? You have to draw triangle using these measurements. Okay, try yourself. Just try to draw using pencil and scale, ruler. Okay. All of you try to draw triangles with these 3 measurements. 3 triangles you have to draw. Try to draw. Okay. All of you should do it. Let me check. Try to draw the triangles. Now I'll take your attendance also. Attendance I'll take later. You draw the triangle and tell me whether it is possible or not. Hello? Is it possible? First one?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak louder. It's raining heavily over here. It's raining.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
The first one is not
First
possible.
one, just let
It's not completable.
Yes.
Not
First
possible.
One, first one, did you get the answer?
No, ma'am. No,
No.
not possible.
No, ma'am.
Okay, first one is not possible. What about second one? Try.
It's also not possible.
Hmm?
Also not possible.
Asim, switch on the video. Vijin Varghese, switch on the video.
Ma'am, my camera is damaged. Ma'am.
Camera is damaged. Abhinavaji, switch on the video. I have to see your face. Annette Rose.
Ma'am, my video is on. Ma'am, my video is on.
Mehul Shaju, I cannot see you. No light over there.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Huh? Your video is not on. Now what about Asim Nabil? Asim?
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is my camera is damaged.
Asim.
My camera is damaged.
Repair it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mehul, put
Ma'am,
switch
my
on.
video.
Ma'am,
No lights.
nasaktan lang ko skin mo.
You're looking over there. Okay, children, what about second triangle? Second triangle, is it possible?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
No. Second triangle also it's not possible. Third one,
Ma'am, it's possible.
what about third triangle?
No,
It's
ma'am.
possible.
Oh, ma'am.
No.
No.
Third one. Check.
It is possible.
Huh? Third one is not possible. If you are not drawing
It is
anything,
possible.
nothing is possible. Okay.
Ma'am, it's possible, ma'am.
Is it possible?
Yes,
Third
ma'am.
one. Huh?
Possible.
Third one is
Possible.
It is possible, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
It is possible to draw a triangle with the measurements of the third one. Okay. Third measurements which I have given, that is 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Third set of measurements. With the third set of measurements you can draw a triangle. But other two we cannot draw the triangle. So let us see what is the reason. Okay. There is a rule for the sides of the triangle. With any measurement you cannot complete a triangle. Because triangle is a closed figure. You have studied earlier, isn't it? It is a closed figure. So the measurements, there is a rule for the measurements of the sides of the triangle. Let us check what it is. I'll teach you what is the measurement. What is the rule behind the measurement of the triangle. See the first one. First one. First question. We will add first two sides. These two sides, 3 plus 3. Answer, 6 centimeter. Is it greater than the third side?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
It is less than the third side. Now I will add these two. 10 plus 3 is 13 centimeter. That is greater than the third side, 3 centimeter. Now I will add the other two and compare with this third one. What is that? 3 plus 10 again 13. That is greater than 3 centimeter. But in one combination, in this, you found that 6 is less than 10. That is, when you add two sides and compare with the third side, this sum is less than the third side, isn't it? Sum of any two sides, one of the set, it is coming less than the third side. But you check, same is the case with this too. Okay. What about this? This you see 6 plus 7, you will get 13. 13 is greater than the third side, 5. Next combination you take 7 plus 5. 12. 12 is greater than, what is the third side now? 6 is greater. Now take the other combination, 6 and 7. 7 plus 5 we took, now 5 plus 6. 6 plus 5, that is 11. 11 is greater than 7, isn't it? So, any two sides you add, it will be always greater than the third side. That's why you were able to draw the triangle of the third set of measurements. You were able to draw a triangle with the third set of measurements. Why? Because any two sides of the triangle you add, you will get it greater than the third side of the triangle. Isn't it? But you can check this one also, it is not possible. This one, it is not possible because you see in one set when you take, it is coming like this. One side is less, sum of any two sides is less than the third side. So you cannot draw the triangle. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the rule is this. The rule is this. This one you need not copy. Okay, this is rough work for you to understand. Only the theorem you have to copy. Theorem is this.
Ma'am, we should write this in notes.
What is it? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Did you understand? Otherwise, you cannot draw the triangle. That is the meaning. Okay. What is it? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. You cannot draw the triangle otherwise. Okay. This is the rule which you have to study. Clear, children?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now I'll ask you a question. You have to answer. Did you write the theorem?
No, ma'am. One minute.
Write it down. Write this. After that, I'll give you one question. You have to answer that.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Is it possible to have a triangle with the three sides? This is first question. A. Second one, B, is this. Can you answer? Just answer it. 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 5 centimeter.
A is possible.
First one, is it possible? Should be greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. Don't draw it. Don't draw now. You have to check with the theorem you have studied. That's all. No need to draw. Okay. Noel Joy, Arjun, Nelvin K. Anthony, switch on the videos. Shane, are you doing it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get first one? What is the answer? First one. Is it possible to draw? Just add and see.
2 plus
Don't
3
draw
will get
now.
5.
You need not draw now. You have to only add and check whether it is greater than the third side. Add any two sides and you have to check whether it is greater than the third side. If all the three sets are okay, then you can draw the triangle. That's the answer. Okay, tell me. First one, what is it? 2 plus 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
First one is 2 centimeter,
Yes,
3
ma'am.
centimeter, and 5 centimeter.
Ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Is it possible to draw? First two you add. 2 plus
2 plus 3 equal to
5. 5
5. 2 plus 3 is
is
equal to
not
5.
greater than 5. So you cannot draw the triangle. Second one.
Yes, ma'am. It's not
Second
possible.
one, I gave, what was the question? 632, right? 2 centimeter. So was it possible? 6 plus 3, 9. It is greater than 2. Then 3 plus 2, 5. Is it greater than third side? Huh? No. It's
No.
less than third side. So this is also
No,
not
ma'am.
possible. Not possible. I think
Both of
time's
them
up.
are not possible.
Children, I'm going to take the attendance. Be attentive. You should not leave the class now. Okay. Thank you. I'll 1 minute. I have to. So today's topic is over. Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
What was the topic we studied towards the end? What was it? Just now. What is the rule we studied?
Ma'am, how can we
Sum of any
sum of any
triangle
triangle
greater than
sides
third
of a-
side.
Sum of any two sides of a triangle should be
Greater than the third side.
okay, greater than the third side. Good.
Third side.
So